Just want to show you how they look like. This is you open like this. Yes. So I just want to clean it here this way. Once it gets dirty, you just clean it like this. Okay. Yeah. Come. It has a sink. You can wash your hand after using it. There's a water tank. You just flush. You just step it like this. That is how you get water out of it, and you wash your hand. You can sit here. They have a tissue. Yeah, these toilets are portable. I think I have shown you. You can give me credit for that. I love you guys. Just stay tuned.
Thank you.
Ameonyesha